in the Holy Quran, sir, in Surah Furqan, Allah Ta'ala has said, وَقَالَ الرَّسُولُ يَا رَبِّ إِنَّ قَوْمِ اتَّخَذُوا هَذَا الْقُرْآنَ مَهْجُورًا. Could you kindly give us the background of this, and which term is involved in this, and which Nabi was involved, who was told this, please?
Ahmad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was told that during on the day of resurrection, our Rasul, that is Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, will complain to Allah that these my people, once having been bestowed the Holy Quran, left it and deserted it as unintended. This would be the complaint made against his own people by Ahmad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, but not people of his own time, but people of the latter days. Because there is another tradition of Ahmad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam which makes the whole thing very clear. He says, Yati ala nas zamanu lam yabqa min al-Quran illa ismuhu, or la yabqa min al-Quran illa ismuhu, wa la yabqa min al-Islam, la yabqa min al-Islam illa ismuhu, wa la yabqa min al-Quran illa rasmuhu. Which says, among other things, that the Holy Quran will be only for writing and for the scripts to make beautiful writings out of it. It will have nothing to do with human life and modeling the character of Muslims. Only it will be a thing of ornament which the scribes would take pride and vie with each other that we write better and we write in gold threads and this and that. So La yabqa min al-Islam min al-Quran illa rasmuhu means nothing of the Quran will be left but the writing. So when this is going to happen according to his own tradition, and the day of the resurrection is after this, obviously this is what he is referring to. That an unfortunate time is to come when my own so-called people, followers, will desert me and the Holy Quran. The Quran will only be for the writings, and Islam will only be in name. La yabqa min al-Islam illa ismuhu.
So this, he said, will be one of the reasons for Hazrat Masih Maud to come?
Obviously, yes.
This, thanks. Could I ask a question?
Could he?
You want to ask?
Okay.